Okay. Is it recording now? Yes.
Yes.
I think, yeah. Okay. Welcome to Scrum meeting, 12th of February. And our jalkahoitola team has made some progress. And a couple of weeks ago we were meeting the customer, and we showed them about the program, what the program looks like at the moment. And since then we had a Scrum meeting where we agreed a couple of things to do, and I think Firas has made some progress in those tasks. Can you
Yes, sure.
show something?
Yes, we had agreed the last time that I have to make the date and person name and expire date in the product when we insert the new product. So I have done this one here. This is when we are trying to create a new product. So here the entry date and the expire and the person name I have already added to the create product.
Yeah.
Yes.
Is that person name, do we have those in some database table, or is it it's just a field that where everybody, the people can write their name?
No, we don't have any now. Till now, we don't have any person name from them. So anyone can just type his name, and that's it.
Yep. Okay.
And of course, after I add these things, I have did something in database. I have add those three table to the database also.
Okay. Yes. And those other tasks, so this makes possible to we have now dates when these products have been inserted to the database, and they can be queried from the database. But I think what is still missing here is that we need some kind of information when they have used, for example, when they insert this product to stock, they need to be able to kind of put some check mark or something that they have used all these products.
Yeah, like some kind of warning when it's going to be almost finished.
Yeah, I think that was what they wanted.
Yeah.
Yes, they want also for the expire date also some warning.
Yes. Yeah. But now I think we need one more column in the database which marks that all these products from have been used. Then we can make a report so that between the starting date and the end date, we can get from the database all the products that have been used. So would that be one feature that could be added? I think this was added to your local database. So,
yes.
So when we add a new these columns to the Azure database, we could add one column which includes that information if all the products have been used for this specific
You said we have to
saapumiserä.
Sorry, A new field for what?
Because now there isn't any information in the database if all these products have been used.
Okay, so new field for using the products.
Yeah. I mean, if there's a box which includes 500 gloves or 100 gloves, and they take it one by one from there, they don't necessarily mark every time when they take. But instead, when that whole box is finished, then they can put the mark that, okay, these are all used now. Because otherwise we would have in the database products that are not actually doesn't exist anymore in the stock.
Yes.
Okay.
And after that we can make the monthly report, or we can start now?
I think we can start from the monthly report, because anyway, when we focus that using the products, because it has to be some way to simple system for them. And if they want to have these photos, we can use them to make it more easier for them to update their stock.
Yes. Yeah, that makes sense, yeah. Okay. What else we have?
Well, I'm thinking, I don't know if they ask something about the design. Or something like that, because this is not the final one.
And she just said that it could be like using some point called like colors.
Yes.
Which already something like that theme.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, please say.
Yeah, no, what I'm saying that I will modify the design, and till now we didn't use this bootstrap things, so I think I will work also on that. So working on design page. Okay. And do they need some picture, or they don't want?
It's left in the open. We didn't discuss so much about details from the design.
Just the color and.
Yeah, it's just the color. But anyway, if we have some good pictures, or why not, we can show them if they like it, to give them the ideas.
Well, I didn't have. I think I have here some picture from the internet, but it's not so good. You can see it now.
Yeah.
This one. I don't want to open with this program. Let me see. Yes. It's small. When I try to make it zoom, it will start. I mean, the resolution it's not so good. And this one. So this one, and I got only this one. I don't know if this is for them or from other center.
Me neither.
Yes, I don't know if it's for them. But anyhow, maybe we can go and take some 2-3 pictures.
Yeah.
Okay. So,
Okay, so that was the progress. What would be the next? Well, next steps would be anyway. If you, Firas, can add those files, or do you want me or Marko to add those columns to Azure?
no, I can finish it. Yes, it's okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
But we need someone to start with the at least monthly report, even if it's simple, just simple report.
Yeah.
Okay. So that would, we could start from that. That it gets from. We'll give a start date and the end date, and between those dates, all the events will be queried from the database.
Mm-hmm.
Would that be a? And then after that we can add some more specific parameters. Or how do you see it?
Yes.
If we want to specify somehow that there are certain products that are used, or do we need to go on that level at all?
Mm-hmm.
Or is it just enough that we get all the products that have been used between certain time?
Yes. Well, let's have try all of us, and we see when we will reach which point, and then we can see if someone success to reach some any point or something, and then we'll discuss about that.
Yeah. And I was thinking that would it be? I think Marko get this date picker to work earlier, and that could be one idea, just to using those date pickers to choose the begin date and the end date.
Yeah. It's very easy to set up those now, because now we have it. But I still have to work with this CSS files, because the design it's not so very good anyway.
Okay.
But it works.
Mm-hmm.
Do we create for another page for this reporting thing?
I think.
Or
I
mean,
think so.
another view. How do you see it? That if this first page would include the third button.
Yeah, I think yes.
Yeah.
To create a new view, yes, and with a new bottom, and they should go to the reports, and then I don't know what will be in the inside. Let we say product report, and then they can. I think we should have some list of report, and for each report, I think it's like a table, right? The products, and then the first column, the product, and then, for example, the stock and the expire date. I think this is the important thing, or I don't know if you see we can add more.
Mm-hmm. Okay, when we get this list of products, could that be a same view where they could mark that okay, this product have been used?
I don't know if it's possible. I
Or
think.
that could be.
Well,
Yep.
sorry, because I have wrote here something that we have to in the monthly report. We have to write how many items they have used. Okay, so I think this should be done by them, right or not?
Yeah.
Yeah, they make it, yes.
They should, for example,
Yeah.
now they use the 3, so they should write 3. This
Yeah.
is in the report, and then how many they have. I think this should come automatically, because they, for example, they got 100 piece, okay, and then I use 10, so the balance will be automatically 90.
Yes.
Okay, and how many treatment? How many treatment they can use, and they can use many. Yes, and of course we can add the expire date also. Okay.
Okay. So what can we agree on this one? I can create a view for that, and
we need to create a table view. I mean, when you go, it's exactly like what we have done in Asiakas project. Yes, it's, I think, but how to get the data?
Okay.
This is the important thing. And of course we should have some edit also, because when they are using the product, for example, they have used 10, and then they again need to use second 10, so they should update this how many item they used.
Yes.
Okay, so if you can, Ari, okay, just to start with that, and let me see till what point you will reach, and then we can discuss about the next step.
Yeah. Will you let me know when you have added those fields to the database, and because after that I can.
Yes, I think
create.
I will do it. If it's not today, maybe tomorrow.
Okay.
Yes, maximum tomorrow, and I will of course inform you by email.
Okay.
Okay, so now
I think was it Thursday we are going to have this meeting?
Yes. I think, I don't know if he will if he will divide the groups like last time for 2 groups. So I don't know if you can we can go to the same last time, the second one, the second group.
Yeah.
Okay. So if you can send him email, Ari, tell him that, I don't know, let we understand if he will divide us to 2 groups or all in one.
Let me just check what was the invitation. Yeah, he didn't specify.
Yes.
It's starting from 6 o'clock, but our team can be like 7:30 or something. depends on how much time they want to use with other group.
Yeah, because I can't be there at 6 o'clock. Maybe at 7, after 7 I can.
Okay. I can suggest that.
Yes, please.
I have to make a note for myself. Is 7 o'clock? What time you think you can make it?
No, it's depend of his plan. If he will divide us in 2 groups, so we will take the second time or second group.
Okay.
Okay, so he will tell us, for example, the group 1 will start from 6 o'clock till, for example, 7 o'clock, and then the second group will from 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock. Then we will have the from 7 to 8.
Okay.
He should tell us.
Yep. But was it so that you are not able to come
yes.
on 6 o'clock?
Yes.
Okay. But if he is suggesting that we should be the first group, I think at least I can be there on 6 o'clock. So.
Yes. Okay. Yes, it's okay. Then I will come maybe late.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, we can start with Marko if
Yes.
Marko is able to.
Yeah, for me, I can come there at 6.
Yes. Yes. Okay. So I think now it's more than enough for the recording. So let we stop now.